What's up, guys? Quick video on information on how to isolate vocals, bass, guitar, drums, etc. I was on somebody else's channel and I saw a question, and that question came from Cameron Holiday. So this one's for you, Cameron. I tried replying back to you. As you can see, I made a statement, you asked me a question, and I actually went ahead and replied to you 3 times, only to have my comment deleted by this fucking prick, M3 RC Music. So the information that you're looking for, it's a program called RipX. I'm gonna link the URL down in the description so you can, check it out and get it if you want. Also, I'm gonna link this website here because this video describes and shows you exactly what it can do and how it can do it. So if it helps anyone else out that's looking how to isolate certain parts of a song, and you're reading all this bullshit about Audacity and it can't be, it's like taking a cake apart. It's fucking bullshit. These people, I live for this kind of shit. So if this helps you out, great. And if it fucks people like this M3 RC Music, great. I like to fist people's asses.